Okay, see the question. Prove that 3 plus 2 square root 5 is irrational. Okay. Now we already know that the sum of a rational and an irrational is irrational. But here we have to prove that it is irrational. Now, how to prove it? The concept is same. Suppose when an irrational number is given and you are asked to prove it irrational, so we go to the contrary, means against it, and consider it rational. So let us consider. Let us assume that assume to the contrary. Okay. Assume to the contrary, comma, that 3 plus 2 square root 5 is rational. Okay. So if it is rational, then we can find co-prime means the numbers which have only one factor, that is 1. So two numbers having only one common factor, that is 1. We can find co-prime A and B. Okay. B not equal to 0, such that this 3 plus 2 square root 5 equals A by B. Because we have considered it rational, so when it is rational, every rational number has this form, P by Q or A by B, where A and B are integers, B not equal to 0. Okay. Now let us go ahead. Keeping 2 square root 5 here, A by B minus 3. Okay, minus 3 shifted there. Then 2 square root 5 equal to, take B LCM, A minus 3B. Okay. Therefore, square root 5 equals A minus 3B by these 2 going there as 2B by cross multiplication process. Okay. Now here you see A and B, even 2 and 3, these are all integers, and B not equal to 0. So you see the form P by Q form or A by B form, P by Q form. This is not 0. A, B are integers. Okay. Then this is rational. So we write, since A and B are integers, A and B are integers, therefore A minus 3B by 2B is rational. Now this equal to square root 5. A minus 3B by 2B equals square root 5. If this one is rational, this one also rational. This implies that square root 5 is rational. Now square root 5 alone we know 5 is a prime number. Square root of a prime number is what is called irrational. So square root 5 is here rational according to this argument. This is irrational. But this fact contradicts but it contradicts the fact. This is a fact. What is the fact? That square root 5 is irrational. Now, why this contradiction is arising here? Why is this contradiction arising? Square root 5 is irrational, but here we are getting rational. So we make another argument, reason it out. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. We consider that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So assumption that this one is 3 plus 2 root 5, yes. 3 plus 2 square root 5 is rational. Okay. 3 plus, it is happening because we considered it rational. So hence we conclude that 3 plus 2 square root 5 is what is called irrational. So irrational, that what I write here is irrational. So is irrational. IRRATIONA. I hope it is clear. So you will have to make this type of similar arguments when an irrational number is given and you are asked to prove it is irrational. Then you will always consider it rational, means contrary to the contrary, and then you make arguments, go to the process and see that finally you come to the conclusion that no, it is irrational. Okay.